trying to catch as much trash as they can. All right. On your marks, get set, go. Thank you for cheering on. Now we're going to go ahead and find out who we have everyone lined up, and we go TK Kinder Bucket, first grade, second grade, and third grade. So, for TK and kindergarten, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, great job.
Yeah.
Help clean up. There were 1, 2, and 3. Thank you, great job. Now second grade. For first grade, we have 1, 2, and 3. Great job, first grade. Thank you. Now for third grade, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, talking about that, if you ever go to the same spot at the same time, what's one way you can solve your problem? Rock, paper, scissors. So we're going to have rock, paper, scissors with Kinder and third grade. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. So, the kindergarten, the TK present third grade with the trophy. Congratulations, great work.